Welcome to the game Kakooma. I'm going to show you how to play, and then you will get a chance to play. So you've got practice, play, and compete. I'd like for you to start in play. You can choose addition or multiplication. I'm going to choose multiplication, and then start game. I'd like for you to start at level 1, and then as you complete each level, you will move to 2, 3, and then 4. So you click start. You're going to be looking for the product. So right here, 3 times 10 is 30, so you click on 30. 4 times 2 is 8, so you click on 8. 4 times 5 is 20. 4 times 7 is 28. Eight, 24, 20. Then this is an addition problem. 20 plus 8 is 28. 14, 30, 6, 14. All right. Once you get this menu, it takes you back to the menu, and you'll do level 2. If you've completed 2, 3, and 4, then you can come back to the main menu and you can choose compete. And so you choose your person and then multiplication or addition. You can choose the type of puzzle that you're going to do and start game. And so you'll watch to see that someone else is working alongside you. So I'm not going to answer here on purpose so that you can see that the opponent will answer. So you're trying to beat the other person working against you.